Force USA, the trusted name in strength equipment.
Alright guys, here we have an advanced video for the Hfid or the Force USA Home Flat Incline Decline. So if we make our way down, Mr. Cameraman, to our non-slip rubber feet, which we have as 4 point of contacts with the ground, so 1, 2, 3 and 4, so they're going to aid to make this bench nice and stable. So we've got quite a high tension steel has been utilised, and it's got a nice grey powder coat to finish it. So you can see there's lots of adjustment points, so all the way from your flat and then in between, it's just simply quite easy to adjust. All it is just got a pop pin mechanism here, so just a couple of turns to loosen, and then it's on a spring-loaded mechanism. Pull it out, and then you can adjust up and down, like so. So someone that's buying the Hfid, generally they're going to be buying it to go in the home. It marries up well with the PC and or the Force USA power cage, and also goes well with the SSC. All right. So there's a couple of other products to have a look at. So when buying this, or if you're involved in the sales process with one of these, just make sure that it's packaged with, rubber coated weight plates. One to go on the front there, on that sleeve at the front. Dumbbells, obviously, you want to be using weights while you're on this bad boy, and etc. Right, so let's carry on having a bit of a look. So it comes standard with this leg extension feature, as well as this preacher curl. All right, so the leg extension, when you're on the bench, you just put your one leg goes over and sits on top of that foam pad, and then comes under. So this is for a leg extension exercise, which is good for building the muscles of your quads. So it can be utilized for rehabilitation, or good for a beginner or sedentary person starting out with exercise and just wants to get a little bit of training going. As I mentioned, it also comes standard with your preacher pad. So your preacher pad here can be utilized to train your biceps. So just chucking or isolating, pivoting your elbows off the preacher pad, you chuck your weight onto here, onto that sleeve. So that's, while it's up, I'll show you, that one's for Olympic size, but also comes off easily, as you just saw, and can be used for standard weight plate as well. Alright, so I'll put that back on. Boom, good to go. Yeah, so as mentioned, great exercise for training your arms. So you put the weight on the end there, and then you can really isolate your biceps. I just want to mention too that that one is currently loose, because there's an Allen key that comes with the product, and there's just a little grub screw. I don't know if you can see. So the grub screw is this here. So you got the screw there. It's just tighten and loosen with the Allen key. And on the inside there, you can see that it sort of sticks out a little bit within that sort of steel washer, and that goes in and out just to hold on to the steel. So if that's on there, you would then tighten it with that Allen key and to stop that moving. So a good quality bench, obviously high density foam used. It's got the Vortex ripstop material. It's really a good all-round FID bench. Really good bench for someone that's starting out the training. It's got a little bit of coin to spend. Yeah, I really recommend it. So the Hfid also has a user rating of 275 kgs. Alright, so that is the H-FID, or the Home Flat Incline Decline Bench. Like all the products, comes with a lifetime structural warranty, 12 months in all parts, and it has 90 days on the ripstop Vortex material. Thanks guys.
Force USA, the trusted name in strength equipment.